everybody. Hello. Just wanted to come in here. Oh, look at that. My hair blends into the pillow there. So, hi there. Let me share this to a few of my groups. Wanted to say hi. Please, if you're up on here, give me a hello. It's the world's most beautiful Melbourne day here. We've hit, I don't know, something like 27 to 30 degrees, depending on what suburb you're in. However, my heart is with those people in our northern states that are considering some crazy weather. So I'm thinking of you. I'm also watching a gorgeous cat that is an indoor cat, but it's just got outside. My message to you guys today is that I am starting series 2 of The Art of Listening, and we commence on Monday, the 7th of April. I'm also quite booked up already. Now, what is The Art of Listening? And this has been an amazing series that I've done for an interview series. As you guys well may know, I've done over something like 15,000 videos, interviews, you name it, for my own staff, but then also for others. Should you want to be interviewed on The Art of Listening, this is really what it's about. It is about you being able to learn and understand through many ways that we learn and understand: auditory, kinesthetic, visual, the non-verbal communications, all of the things. But when you're working with people, should you be a well-being professional or a communicator or someone who hopes to get really good at business, private business, personal business, as well as being employed, etc., understanding what a person, any person, from relationships right through to what you're truly doing in your professions, we can all get better at communication and conscious listening, or the art of listening. And it is a constant learning. So, should you want to be interviewed on the next series, we're going to hit around about 100 interviews, 80 to 100 interviews, depending on that booking week. But should you want to be interviewed, let me know and pop into my DMs immediately. I'll send you an email. Send me your email, send me your bios, send me the reason perhaps you'd like to be interviewed. Now, what's really interesting is that all different practitioners have actually come to me with all different understandings, and that's absolutely fine. So what we've actually found is I can get a well-being practitioner, a wellness coach, let's say, just watching this pussycat. I don't think it realizes it's outside. So him says that the art of listening for her clients is in and about what their body is telling them. Then you've got others who say the art of listening is about really hearing what the person is trying to say in and behind the words. My interpretation across all the people I've interviewed so far, plus the 30 years of listening to people in and around their health, well-being, their businesses, which is also wealth is health as well, which I definitely understand, is that the person speaking to you needs to feel as if they are having the experience of being heard, even if the respondent, like the person listening, isn't really understanding in that moment what they're trying to say. So it's a collaboration of its highest form, and it's most important. Does this make sense? Hopefully it does. There's been huge amounts of study on it, a lot of rhetoric, a lot of science behind it all. But that is, I think, ultimately the understanding of it all. Can't believe my little, hair here works in with the pillow. So let's have fun. And there's another communication level as well. We've actually had this week, as you'd have to be living under a rock or decidedly never to go on social media not to know that we've had some very highfalutin, high exposed communication gone wrong, right, whatever it's gone, in this last little couple of days in the worldwide. And I'm not going to mention what, you guys all know because you're on my Facebook, etc. But what if the art of listening got really good and we could all be more effective, more efficient, and get to what others and therefore ourselves want quicker by actually getting really, really super, super good at listening? What if? All right, team, I've had my little rest. I've walked something like 25,000 steps today. I'm large and in charge here, and I'm going to get myself a beautiful late lunch, early dinner, because I love my intermittent fasting at the moment. All right, team, pop into my DMs should you want to be interviewed on the Art of Listening interview series, and we will pull it into a beautiful masterclass very, very soon, which culminates in all of the work that I've done over the years to actually get really, really great at your marketing, and then a book, which will be really cool, a new collaboration, which will be a lot of fun. All right, have a really, really beautiful day, and I'm thinking of you should you be in a space, in a place where they've got tumultuous weather inside and out. Thanks, guys. Bye.